All right, folks, Andy here from Rolling Hops Beer Tours, coming at you today with our weekly beer tasting holiday edition. So whether you are in North America, in Canada, in the United States, all over the world, we want to wish you a happy holidays. If you're celebrating Christmas or Hanukkah or anything, if you're not celebrating at all, that's okay too. So what are we drinking today? We are showcasing a fine craft brewery that's not typical to one in Canada, in that it is a little bit old. It's a senior citizen in the craft beer world. This is Big Rock. So Big Rock is a brewery that actually exists in 3 different provinces. We got one in Toronto in Ontario, one in Alberta, and one in British Columbia. So what do we have today? We have a seasonal ale. This is a winter spice ale. So what is a holiday beer, which this is? So a holiday beer, often called a winter ale. Something unique about it is the components that are added to the ale. A couple things that are typical in our winter ales. You'll typically find things like cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, spruce pine, things like that. So here we actually have, like I said, we have our cinnamon, we have our ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and clove. So some really interesting tastes and flavors here. This is a wonderful, wonderful winter ale. So typical winter ale is that the main components of like a brown ale. So you'll get kind of toffee, caramel-esque flavors, which are very, very lovely, with some of these amazing kind of fun additions as well. You get some of that cinnamon, that ginger is very nice. Any ginger ale fans, you'll love this for sure. Some people love them, some people hate them. They're different, they add some different components. So if you get a true beer purist, well, we've added some components to it from our 4 main ingredients. So some people think, it's a little too out there, it's a little too radical, you're disrespecting the beer. We like experimentation, we like doing things that are out of the ordinary. So we tend to be pro-seasonal ales. They come but once a year. Beautiful labeling, part of the holiday season, kind of gets you in the mood. Got my ugly sweater on, so I'm ready to go. They're kind of fun. They really taste pretty good too. Got some holiday flavors, holiday cheer. Gets you all warm in the tummy. Kind of loving it. Cheers, amigos. So our recommendation to you, give it a try. Regardless, we want to wish everyone a happy holidays. No matter where you are, where you come from, we give a large cheers to you. And remember, folks, craft beer is here.